student, and I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm discussing with you addition and subtraction of decimal. So first we start with addition of decimal. Okay, so addition of decimals means find the sum of these decimals. You have given some numbers like 376.8, 0.089, 209.76, 7.869 and 98.02. I have already told you that after decimal how to read. We read like 0.8, 0.089, 0.76, 0.869, 0.02. Okay, so how can we add these numbers? First of all, we convert all the numbers in decimal, like decimal. Convert all numbers into like decimals. What do you mean by like decimals? Means the decimal place of all the numbers will be equal. Okay. The highest decimal place is this one and this one. 3 decimal place na. So 0.089, 7.869, 376.800, because this one also 3 decimal, this one also 3 decimal place, and this one also. The next one is 209.76. We put 10 here because we want 3 decimal place. The next one is and 98.02. You have given 2 decimal place. When you convert like decimal, you add 1 0 because it also now has 3 decimal place. Okay, how we add this number? Put like this 376.800. Okay, then next one is now you can write any number, okay, as you wish. So next one will be 0.089 and the next one will be 209.760. But most important thing that is you have to put under the decimal, means decimal must be in same line. Okay, you can't put 1 decimal here and this decimal can be here or here. That will be totally wrong. Okay, you have to put these decimal in a same means decimal under the decimal on in same line. Okay, the next one will be 7.869 and the last one is 98.020. Now you can add all these numbers. 9 plus 9 18, 1 is carry, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 2 23, again 2, then 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 8 15. That will be 15. It means 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 7 23, 23 plus 8 32. Again 3 carry. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, 1 is carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Your answer will be this. Okay, I hope you have cleared this question and you have understood this one. Now come to the next one, that how we subtract decimals. Okay, The next one is subtraction of decimal, that is 59.318 from 630.023. Here you have given equal decimal place. This also 3 decimal place, and this term also carry 318, that is 3 decimal place. Okay. Now after from you have given large term, it means you write it first 630.023 and 59.318. Okay, write the decimal, write the point, or you can write the decimal. Okay, below the decimal, write decimal below the decimal. Either you have given 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, but you must write below the point. Write point below the point. Okay, you can't write decimal here or there, just write below the first point. Okay, now subtract this one. 3 is less than 8, so it became, when we take one carry from this became 13. So 13 minus 8 is 13 minus 8, that is 5. Now this one is 1. 1 minus 1 became 0. Again this one 0. So we will take one carry from this. This will became, it becomes 10. It means 10 minus 3, that is 7. Now write point below the point. So we carry 1 from this, so it became 9. 9 minus 9 became 0. This one is 3. So we take 0, this one is 0. So how it became 10? Because we take 1 from this number. Okay, so it became 2, but 2 is less than 5, so we take carry from this, and this one became 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So this one became 5. So the answer will be 570.705. I hope you have cleared this question. Now in our next video we will discuss use of decimal. I hope you understood. God bless you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.